Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Snapshot, the premier Web3 governance platform empowering DAOs and decentralized communities. Snapshot is a free-to-use platform that streamlines proposal creation and voting, enabling transparent, decentralized decision-making for blockchain-based projects. To start, visit snapshot.org. The homepage features an intuitive interface where you can explore active spaces or create your own. A space in Snapshot represents an organization or community that utilizes the platform for governance. Spaces display key details like member count, proposals, and activity, providing a snapshot of their engagement. To set up a space, connect your Web3 wallet. Snapshot supports popular wallets like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and more, making integration seamless. Once your wallet is connected, you can customize your space with a logo, description, and governance settings. Add a token or NFT to define voting power, ensuring only your community members can participate in proposals. Creating a proposal is straightforward. Click New Proposal, fill out the details, including title, description, and voting options, and set a start and end date. Snapshot allows flexible voting mechanisms, from single-choice votes to ranked choice or quadratic voting, empowering communities with tailored decision-making processes. When voting begins, community members can participate by connecting their wallets and casting votes. Snapshot ensures transparency by publishing votes on-chain or off-chain, depending on the community's preferences, while maintaining cryptographic integrity. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Snapshot also includes tools for analyzing voting outcomes, ensuring members can review participation metrics and proposal impact. This makes Snapshot a versatile tool for blockchain governance, supporting informed decision-making and fostering trust within communities. If you're ready to leverage Snapshot for your DAO or project, dive in today. The sign-up link with a bonus for new users is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more Web3 insights.